Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create a Squid Game animation only using one picture. How's that possible? Don't worry guys, because this video will show you the step by step to create it. So without any further ado, and let's get into it. So the first step you can do if you are the user of the Android phone, then you can install this Pixverse from the Play Store, or if you are the user of the iPhone or the iOS, then you can install it from the App Store. And as soon as you have installed it, then you can open, and don't forget to do the sign up or login first with your email or Google account. So this application will give you the credit over here. And since we would like to create the Squid Game animation, then we can go to the template, and you can click this searching section and type Squid Game and enter. Then you can choose this Squid Game, use this template. Then it will direct you into the gallery that you can choose or select your favorite photo that you would like to create. Then you can, for example, click this picture, and as you can see, this effect will need 20 credits to do, and since we have 40 credits left, so it will be enough to create this animation. So I will click this create, and it will take you a while to wait for the generation. And as you saw before, that there is the notification that this animation was on process to generating this video, and we have to receive the information that the video is ready. Then you can click this notification menu, and let's see the result. Isn't that cool guys? So you after this video is made up, so you can start to download it, or if you would like to create it to the HD, then you can click this, but it will need 50 credits over here. Then you can try to upscale the version, and also you can share it into your favorite social media. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself, and please let us know if this tip and trick also work for you guys. And also don't forget to give this video a like, and also subscribe this channel to watch more on another video tutorials. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.